We really appreciate you coming home with us.
And where's home?
We're staying with the turtle hermit. Look, Launch. There it is.
Oh, it's a very pretty house.
Yeah, I'm still getting used to the pink.
Hey, Master Roshi, we're back. There's a girl here who wants to meet you. How come he never answers his door?
It is possible he's just using the bathroom, Goku.
Why is he taking a bath?
It's the nice way of saying toilet.
You mean he's taking a poo? Oh, I'll go tell him to hurry up, okay?
Huh? That Goku's not one for manners, is he?
Now, Krillin, you still haven't told me the reason that I'm here.
Yes, well, I'm not really sure myself. Master Roshi is a lonely guy who likes to think he's a stud. So we just need someone to play along and feed his ego.
Oh, does that mean I can hide here while I'm running away?
Oh, you mean from those guys who were attacking you and pretending to be police officers? So who were they, really?
They were real policemen.
Master Roshi, get off the toilet! There's a girl downstairs!
Darn it, Goku! I said hold on! Do you have to scream it all over the house? It's plain embarrassing!
You're stinky.
And why exactly would the police be after you?
I can't say for sure, but judging from all the money in my bag, I probably held up a bank or two.
Oh.
I sure hope you brought me a nice one this time.
I guess so. Whenever Krillin sees her, he smiles a whole lot.
Something about a train?
Oh, right, you're a train robber. You expect me to believe that? You're so silly, Launch.
You might want to watch what you say, Krillin. When I sneeze, I change, and terrible things can happen.
You mean like a runny nose?
Hi! I think I'm in love!
That's good, right?
Oh my goodness, you frightened me!
So, Master Roshi, what do you think of her? She's been making up some silly stories about robbing trains, but other than that, she totally fits the bill.
I'm making you both my students from this day forward.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Hey, I'm Master Roshi, and this is my pad.
Nice to meet you, sir. My name is Launch. Your grandson saved me from a whole lot of trouble today.
Oh, is that really true, boys?
Yes, I can't thank them enough.
All in a day's work.
I'm glad you're safe, but to be honest, they're not my grandsons.
Oh.
They're my younger brothers. It was worth a try. Funny joke, wasn't it?
Oh, yes!
Actually, I'm the Turtle Hermit Master Roshi, the world's greatest expert at martial arts, and these boys have come to train under me.
Martial arts, huh? Well, that explains why Goku's so strong.
Yes, I'm happy to hear my lessons made a difference.
But, Master Roshi, you haven't taught me anything yet.
So anyway, Launch, since you're my special guest and all, how would you like to take a romantic walk with me around my island paradise?
Well, it doesn't look like a very long walk. But yeah, that sounds pleasant to me.
You mean it? Oh, boy!
I think he liked that answer.
And while you're here, you might as well study martial arts with us, too.
I don't know. I have soft hands and I've never been very interested in fighting.
Well, there are many benefits of martial arts besides being able to beat the tar out of people, you know. It increases your physical stamina, it's good for the noggin, and it's good on your oily pores.
I wouldn't pass up this opportunity, Launch. Master Roshi is a legend in the martial arts world. Lots of people would do anything for a lesson from him. It's like a collector's item.
Wow, then of course I will.
Yeah, I guess there's no point in denying my greatness.
Can we please start now?
Thanks for the plug, kid.
You know I aim to please.
First, let's put our uniforms on.
Right.
Uniforms?
Whoa, you can change in the house if you want.
Okay. Yes, that's a good idea.
Now, why in the world did you have to bring that up?
I panicked.
I'm back.
Hmm?
This looks like underwear.
Oh, no, it's Turtle Hermit fighting armor.
Clever name.
Now we'll start off with aerobics. Would you leave me alone?
Oh, it's coming!
Okay, boys. Whose idea was this? Wanna dress me like a doll? Well then, please don't forget the accessory machine gun! Achoo!
Oh dear, sorry. You see, my other half comes out when I sneeze, and she doesn't like pig-headed boys. Did she do anything bad to you?
Not too bad.
Oh, ow!
With the mysterious Launch moving in, maybe the boys will learn to behave themselves, at least if they want to hold on to their skin.